whenever. Ready?
I'm ready, man.
All right, cool. I'm already recording.
Of course you are.
So I'm here with Chris Austin with First Palmetto Bank, and we're gonna just kind of talk today about some things that they have coming down the pipeline as far as loan programs, and just have a conversation about what buyers can expect these days when it comes to getting a loan. So, Chris, thanks for
Thank you
bringing with me, sitting down and talking.
Yep, love to do it. Yeah, as I was telling you the other day, we have two new programs that are coming out. There's been a real focus with the FDIC and other things to really go after the community lending and to try to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to become a home buyer. So we came up with two new programs. The first one is 100% financing, no mortgage insurance.
Okay.
There's some credit restrictions and debt to income restrictions, and a max loan amount of $300,000, and it has to be in a certain area, right? So these are underserved areas. But what I'm finding is so crazy is even in sort of the high density areas, there are zip codes or pockets of homes like 29205, 29209, 29229. These are not what you would consider zip codes that need a lot of, that have a lot of underserved areas, but they do. And so these programs really help buyers get in with no money down.
Okay.
Our second program, which I think is going to be really good, is a 95%, 5% down program, no mortgage insurance. It's a 5-year ARM with a rate of 4.99, which in today's market is crazy.
It's unheard of. Yeah.
Unheard of. It is an ARM, so it's fixed for 5 years. At the end of the 5 years, it can change.
Okay.
But at 4.99, when going rates today are in the high sixes, low sevens, 4.99 is incredible.
It's quite appealing. Yeah.
It is quite appealing. And again, it has some of the same restrictions. The good thing about these two particular programs, if the borrower doesn't fit into one of those little boxes, we have other programs that allow for reduced rates and no bank fees. So if you don't qualify for that 100% program, maybe because your credit scores are a little bit too low, we have another program that will offer discounted rates and no bank fees.
Okay.
So if you don't fit into one box, we have another box you can fit into.
Okay.
So it's really good. And it's still some of the underserved areas, but there are no first-time home buyer requirements, no income restrictions. There are some maximum loan amounts, but in those areas, that's not usually a problem.
Okay. Is there a minimum credit score?
700 on those two particular programs.
Okay.
But the other programs are whatever we can get you approved for.
Okay.
So if you have a 620, and believe it or not, there are even some programs that would go below that. They're a little harder to get.
Sure.
The rates are a little bit higher, but it does
still get you into a home.
It'll get you into a home. That's right.
Okay. Awesome. Well, that sounds great. Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah, happy to do it. You call me, Chris Austin.
There you go. All right. We'll have your phone number down below here. So check it out. Give them a call and see if we can get you into a home together.
Thanks, William.
Thank you.